Hi.
Good morning. Good, thank you. Hi. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I used to play with that a lot when I was a teenager.
Yeah, there's no puck, so you have to use a marble or something like that. So you have to improvise.
That is vintage. What are you guys asking for that?
Hey, the fairness of fun. $10.
I'll buy that for $10.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How's your summer?
Good. Four.
Oh, weather vane.
Yeah. Just has the height. Doesn't say how big it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And you
Well, I was gonna
just
say
stack all the. No, well, it's this long.
Oh yeah, okay.
Because here's you can see the north.
I got you.
What do you think of that?
We bought a hockey game.
Oh, did we?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
$10.
this might be
I thought
cute.
that was a good
in the
deal.
yard. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah. And if not, Darren will like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, if we don't like it, our
yeah.
neighbor will totally like it. So.
Darren might like that. We should maybe get it for him. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see what it looks like when I put it together. If I don't like it, I'll just give it to him.
Yeah, yeah. Totally. So I got this for $10.
Oh, a hammock.
Oh, you found a hammock?
Where could we put it though?
I wouldn't lie in it. My knees.
I know.
Handle that.
Would I
so
lie in it though?
I don't know.
It's only $10.
I was gonna say it's probably not that expensive.
No. This you want? She said.
Yeah.
Did you pay for it already?
No.
Oh.
At least I can see something.
No, you didn't.
Yeah. I was hoping you had. That sounds right though.
It's tradition.
Yeah. It's tradition. No way. It's tradition for me to pay. That's what he said.
Yeah, don't let the traditions die.
Yeah, that's cool,
I
eh?
lived in that.
Yeah, that's awesome, isn't it?
That's really awesome.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at all the players are there.
Everybody's there.
That's
That's what I
crazy.
said to the guys. Like,
Crazy.
I'm impressed that you haven't lost anybody. The only thing missing is the score counter here.
Yeah.
But
And the puck.
it was a marble. He said it was always a marble because that's why the hole is there. That's what he said. It's because you put the marble on the hole.
That's believable.
Oh. I don't know.
So, I mean, the original marble's gone, but
Well,
What are you paying for that?
$10.
All right, just give you a price on this.
yeah, it has a price.
Okay, 10. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
And then this didn't have a
Oh,
price.
that's actually just $2.
Okay.
Just getting rid of that.
And then he gave me a price of 10 for that.
10. Okay, that's 20,
22.
22. Yeah, please.
You hold.
Okay.
You got?
I got.
And there's
Thank you so much.
two. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
you too. Thanks
Thank
a lot.
you.
Thanks so much. Have a good day.
Do you want me to carry something?
Yeah, you take that.
No, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day. Right on. That's a good score. Little vintage hockey game. That is awesome.
I'll have to hang that downstairs for you. Or unless you want to play it. But it looks pretty bowed.
Yeah. This
Like
is
the
one I think I
marble-
would hang on the wall.
The marble would just go to the middle all the
You
time.
never get it to the sides.
No. What's that? That's nice. Yeah. Oh, neat.
That's nice.
Yeah, that is really nice. I like it.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah,
That's got everything.
that's a nice
boy.
one.
That's a little more than I can afford, but boy, is that nice.
That's the top line, the tail line.
And there's another nice phone.
That's the desk phone for hotel. That's an oldie. Underneath.
250 and 335.
But I come up with sort of a price, and also I have the operator's head that went with the mic. Not this is a headset that was also in the little package that I have. This is the operator's headset
Okay,
with the mouthpiece.
great.
That I'll throw in with the pack. Whatever's here is all in the pack. Eh? And here's my sort of. Look at that thing here. So I wanted to come up around 370 for the whole thing.
For all of it?
All of it.
370.
Yeah.
I'd do that.
Okay.
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 Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay. I'll pack it up for you.
Excellent. I'll go get you some money.
Okay.
All right.
This one,
That's the
the horses and cattle.
yeah. Okay. And this
Yeah. Oh, and that's a nice one
is
too.
liniment.
I like these ones with the nice labels on
Yeah,
them.
with the graphic
And
labels.
these green ones I like. Well, how much are these?
These I wanted 20 for with the labels,
With okay.
and these probably around 10.
Okay.
And then you got this here. It's still got stuff in it.
Oh, did you try it?
No, I don't. I probably did when
Probably good for what ails ya.
When I was a kid.
Poison bottle, and there's still stuff in it.
Yeah,
Yeah. You want to try it?
Sure.
that's on your wound. It burns
How
like
much
a
for that
butter.
one?
Hey, 10. It was cost 20 cents when you bought it.
I'll give you 30 cents. 40, I'll double it.
Well, just set them here.
Well,
Set them here, and if whatever you want, we'll sort of make a package. If you're interested at all.
okay. Now that one I like. I do like these ones too.
See, the eczema, these are just
Toothache drop. Look how small it is.
Yeah, look at that.
Toothache drops.
Jiffy.
The sale, are you in like Kijiji?
Yeah, you don't
Trivet?
know who sees what, so
30
I'm
on
trying
there?
Are you in like Kijiji?
to, yeah,
Yeah. Plus
A
tax.
lot of uranium in that one.
That's a nice one though. Is it chipped anywhere? Yeah. Those are?
Both of those?
Yeah.
Yeah, good enough.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thanks
Thank you. We will. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Look at that. What a pretty bowl.
Wow, eh?
Inside and outside.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
It looks like it has its own stand. Oh, it's quite heavy too.
That's nice.
And it's really pretty.
Barrel of monkeys.
Yep.
Buy those and send them to Ben and Auni. There's a video game that they play. Barrel of monkeys.
That's glass.
Is it glass?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't want that
Weird.
too. Yeah. Canadian made. Look, you know, this looks like restaurant wear.
oh yeah, yeah. Hello. Oh, look what you found.
Yeah. I don't know how much things are though.
It's big.
It's heavy. Like, surprisingly. So it's off of like a buffet or something, I think. Feel how heavy it is.
Oh, jeez, it's heavier than you'd think.
Yeah, I think I'll get that for my room upstairs.
Okay.
You see this nice couch here? Isn't that
Oh.
isn't that gorgeous? And the nice feet. Oh, it's missing.
Yeah, she brought that
There's
to the
a
hallway. The lady
Broken
was
off, it's right there.
Oh, it's broken. Aw.
paid $175.
It's lovely though.
Yeah, and it'd have to be glued back.
Oh, it is nice.
Well, I think the glass is really old mirrors are really thick. Yeah,
And it's real wood. It's not
Yeah.
board or
exactly.
anything like that.
Wah. It's long.